man. Today I'm coming at you with another reaction video. Today I reacted to Lynyrd, Skynyrd, I don't know, Freebird, 1977? 1970, it's footage? Bro, no, oh, dang. That's crazy. 1970s. I think my pops was born in 1976. Oh, look, Oakland. Yeah, but look, I never heard of them. I never heard this song. I know nothing about them, but somebody in the comments told me that I had to react to them, so I want to react to it. Off like. 1977. I know no groups besides I think the Jackson 5 that was around in the 70s or something, but man, I'm ready to get into this. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you want me to react to next. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at tb.doug. And let's go ahead and get into this. My goodness, bro. I don't like pausing, but listen. Isn't it crazy how life is? You don't just look at old videos like, bro, they're like, these people were once young. I'm gonna, bro, oh my, bro, this is insane. I never heard that before. Oh my goodness, bro. All these girls look so good, but they probably somebody great grandmom right now.
If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I must be traveling on now, 'cause there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. I swear I am.
First off, it's insane to your first video to be of someone's live. I think I only did Selena. It was Selena, I think, was the first one I did somebody live, and she was amazing. But they're doing an amazing job. Whoever that is on the guitar or whatever that is, bro, he is, bro, this man is insane. Dude back on the drums and dude on the pianos, they're going insane. But my question is, what kind of band were they? And were they big? Because I never heard of them. Like, were they a big band? They had to be a big band, but like, what kind of band were they? Is it rock? Is it soul? Like what? Like, cause what is it?
Play it pretty for Oakland.
Oh my good, bro. Look at this. These were kids having a good time. 1970, that was so, bro. That just seems so long ago. And it's just like now, you go to a concert now, bro, it's just nothing but devil. Devil everywhere. Everybody singing about the devil. Like, it's bro. Oh my goodness. Y'all
Billy Powell, here.
who is that? It's the 70s though. I probably wouldn't even be allowed to talk to her back then, but bro. Bro, she looked good. What's his name on the piano? Cause he's oh my god.
Been a sweet life, oh yeah, yeah. Though this feeling I can't change, but please don't take me so badly, 'cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay here with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now. How about you? And a bird will never change.
I'm so dumb. This is on the football field? They packed the football field? No. And I'm over here asking, were they big? I know you probably mad at me in the comments over that dumb question. They packed the football field in the 70s. Well, back then it was like, they really were like, people were really fans back then. But bro, a football field. That was, hold on. this, bro, no. No. And look at him. He doing it like it's nothing. This man is going crazy. No. I need his name. What's his name? I need his name, and I need his name on the piano. Church vibe. It's giving me a church. Listen. If you ever been to church and when the music take up, but what I'm telling you, but man, I would have took my chances. I know racism had to be big in the 70s. Of course, it was big in the 70s, but bro, I'm telling you, I would have took my chances. I would have went out there to this concert, and I would have took my chances trying to talk to one of them girls out there. I'm telling you, something would have happened bad, but I would have took my chances. Y'all didn't see the girl. Look at her in the yellow. She was feeling it bad. That would have been me. I'm not gonna lie. That would have been me. Oh my goodness, that would have been me. They're playing a song. This is not even a song to kiss to, bro. This is not a slow jam. This man just went on like a 10-minute guitar solo, and you over here kissing for what? listen, it's crazy though. Like you see the G's they're wearing. Like people are, but I'm telling you, like bro, styles is just coming back. People are wearing that stuff now. It's crazy. And then they just walked off like it was nothing. They walked off a football field like it was nothing.
Great ones, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Let's hear it for them.
What's the name?
One of the great ones, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Let's hear it
Lynyrd Skynyrd. Where did they get that name from?
for them.
How did they get that name? Listen. If you're a big fan of this, please let me know. Where did they get that name from? Wolfgang. I think I heard of that. I probably gotta react to that. But where did they get that name from? Lynyrd Skynyrd. That's a crazy name. But man, I really did enjoy this. I love guitar solos. Like I promise you, and I never heard a piano solo. Amazing. Made me feel like I was in church. But man, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below. If you ever been to a concert, let me know down below to the concerts you've been to. And rank them if you've been to multiple. But man, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below what you want me to react to next. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at tv.dub. And yeah, man, I'm out.